Hello audience, this is Ethiop Computing. I am Sgano Agwata. In this video, I am going to show you how you start writing a Python code on Python IDLE. Just IDLE means Integrated Development and Learning Environment of a Python. So before this video, I have already prepared a video how to install and configure Python on Windows. So I provided the link below in the description box, and you can get also in this website ethioptech.com. While we search ethioptech.com, you can get about Python configuration on Windows. You can click here on how to. After clicking on how to, so there will be an option how to install Python on Windows. Then you can click here, can get all concepts what I am talking in this video. So let us start. First, we will open Python IDLE. Click on this IDLE. The IDLE will open automatically. Wait. This is Python IDLE. Like this. So before that, I want to say something about variables and values. So familiar, if you know C++ and Java, you are familiar with variables and value. Just to remind you, variable means just it is a placeholder inside a memory, a space reservoir, or to reserve a space for a given value inside the memory, we will create a variable. So variable means just a memory space reservation, a memory space reservation based on the type of data. Data may be integer, it may be character. The data may be float double, it may be list, set, tuple, or dictionary. Whatever any data, the variable is a placeholder inside the memory. Value is the data by itself. So for example, if you want to add two numbers, for example, 2 plus 3 in that, it is 5. It's correct. The other one, x plus, for example, or x is equals to 3 in that, then you can say that x plus 9 is 12. In this Python IDLE, you can play like this. For example, the other one, for example, y is equals to 12, y is equal to 12, x plus y. What will be the result? It will be 15. Why? Because the value of x is 3. The value of x is 3. What about I write x? This is also 3. This is also 3. A string, for example, name is equals to my name, or for example YouTube or ethiop, like this. So enter, then name, can get ethiop. What about name plus another character? Computing. Name plus computing. We will get ethiop computing. Let's say this is the space. Name plus ethiop. Sorry. computing. I can get this space between Ethiopia and computing. If I put the space here, if I put the space here. Okay. The other one, for example, let's say x is equals to 10. X equals to 10. X plus 2. This is 12. What about y is equals to 8 and underscore plus y? Underscore plus y. What do you expect? Y is the last output. So this instruction or this Python code will display or print 12 plus 8. The result will be 20, I think. It is 20, correct. And example, z is equals to computing. We can get each individual character from this computing, from this string. For example, z0, for example, it will display the first character, C. What about Z6 or 5? It will display the fourth character. That means 0, 1, 2, 3, P. Computing 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, T. We can operate like this. That means C indicates index 0, O indicates index 1, P indicates index 2, M indicates index 2, P indicates index 4, like that. What about, for example, Z12? I think we will get the error. Why? Index 12. There is no an index 12 here. Index 0, index 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have only 8 index, but we want to, or we instruct the code to print the character found at index 12. So 12 is out of this string index. That's why this error display. We can also print from back to starting point. For example, z minus 1. Z minus 1 will display G. That is the last character. And what about Z0 colon up to 3? That means display the character from index 0 up to from index 0 up to 3. That means index 0 here, C, index 0, O, index 1, index 2, M. It does not include the last index up to 2 indexes, from 0 up to 3. Or what about if we say Z from 2 colon plus? This will display the character starting from index 2 up to the last index. You see, M index 0, index 1, M is index 2, from index 2 up to the last character. What about if we say Z? If you say Z up to 5, that means displays the character starting from index 0 up to index 5, not including index 5. Index 0, index 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is not including 5, up to U. Up to U. So we can manipulate the string like this. We call this array slashing. We call this array slashing. We can also concatenate strings, two strings, for example, ethiop plus, for example, name, like the previous example. Can get this. What about ethiop? Sorry. What about ethiop plus name, some character. For example, the character after index 3 or index 2 or 5, 4. Here it is. We can get ethiop after 4. Ethiop OP. That means this is the ethiop by itself. This is ethiop by itself. Why make like this? For example, name equal to computing. Name equals to computing, and concatenate ethiop plus name after the fourth character, fourth index, sorry, after the fourth index, then enter. Can get like this. Ethiop, this is the first string, and from the name we instruct the code or the pattern to print the character after the fourth index. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth index. You can get like this. This is all about today's lesson.